Hey guys, I did a vlog, my very first vlog the other day. I'm proud, but I still am a little bit new to the whole thing, so I'm still learning. Stay with me. Anyway, I finally have a video editing software, so I finally edited it all together. I would like you guys to see my adventures. I hope you like it.
You know, I just want to get an idea.
You want to sniff the fuck beds?
Yeah, I know you're vlogging too, by the way, because I can tell with your fucking sass ass voice. I can tell, like, I can tell when you're shit posting. You gotta tell me which way to go, though.
What, to get back to mine?
Yeah, because I forgot. I just wiped it from my brain. I was thinking too much about the fuck beds. You see how moist those things are? That ain't from rain, motherfucker. That is 100%.
Crackheads.
That is juice, my friend.
So you'll want to turn right at the lights.
Okay.
So we're supposed to be filming for Ross something very, very cool.
Yeah, we're meant to be filming
and we went to an abandoned place that's literally just up the road from mine, and there are fucking teenagers getting high and climbing on shit they probably fucking shouldn't be climbing on. So fingers crossed they fall.
You can only hope.
They actually managed to get in.
The other
they're
thing too
climbing
is
up.
we're also racing against those dark clouds that are looming. It was so sunny this morning.
It's supposed to rain at like 1 AM today though, at night time.
Oh, 1 AM this morning coming up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tuesday morning.
Okay. Well, we should be okay then. Then again, the weather reports have been absolutely shit lately.
Well, it's coming into winter, so...
What's that got to do with the fact that they're shit at reporting their job?
So we're back. The kids didn't die, thankfully.
So what I want to do... Say, I want you to get a shot from here.
Yep.
So this, like, that spot there is where I'll be standing.
Uh-huh.
And then I'll do all my talking.
Shooting phase 1. Done. Shooting phase 2. It's gonna be porn.
I'm sucking a dick. Nisa was going to do it, but I decided that I want to step in and take the bullet. But you know what? I just wanted a bit of dick. Oh.
Oh, that's so gross.
I'm already so full for dick.
Oh.
But I'll do it for the team.
Jesus. I'll do it for the vine.
I'll do it for the vine.
So one of my favorite things about this place is Bad Wolf.
My phone in the car. I was like...
So this is the abandoned place I did a photo shoot at.
No, I don't know why, but in my head I didn't expect it to be that messy.
What, the paint?
The blue.
Oh, yeah. So I'm not going to show you my friend's face yet, because that's for another moment. But yeah, this is where we did our videos. That's where I did a photo shoot a few months ago, my bad. How was Pop the Smurf?
It was good. I look fucked with blue stuff.
It looks so gross. Your teeth are all blue.
It's gonna take forever, isn't it, to get off?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, we fucked. He gave me the weirdest look just then. He was like, fuck, her pussy must have like the blue waffle. I just got blue waffle! Son. Those kids up there are just like, fuck, we're so high right now. they're like, dude, there was this fucking blue dude, and like... Hi, I'm YouTube celebrity Ross Elliott. I just finished eating out a pussy in a crack den. Now you're probably wondering what all this is. That's because sometimes you should ask that crack whore whether or not she's got the blue waffle or any other STD or mold that's growing. Now me, I thought it tasted like potpourri, so I just went right in there. I was fucking gobble, gobble, gobble. But sometimes you should ask first. Take it from me, somebody who's got about 30 seconds left to live. Yeah? Alright, shall I drop you home?
Yeah, can you make that face again with the thumbnail?
Is that okay? Those kids are seriously like, what the fuck are
That's
we
just-
smoking?
That's if they're still there. I don't know if they're still there.
It tastes horrible. It tastes like I'm actually drinking ink. Like proper ink, like from a pen.
Fanta.
Thank you. I need it. Oh. Oh, you weren't there last night, but I was talking about on the stream, and I'm going to make a highlight of it. I was saying, like, you know when you have food, right, and your mouth's watering, and, like, you're like, fuck, I really want that food. And then you eat it, and it's better than you expected. And so as you eat it, a little bit of cum builds up in your dick, and you're like, ha! You know, like, you kind of, like, take that first bite, and you're like, oh, this is going to be all right. And then you're like, oh, my God, it's amazing. You just hit, like, just a little, like, cum build up. Ha! And part of you wants to stop, but part of you's like, I want this fucking pizza to make me fucking just burst all over the place. Ah, ah! Ah! No, it's true though. Like I've had that before, where like I've eaten something and I've just been like, oh, fuck. And then like part of me's like, I don't know if I should just be touching myself right now. Like I don't know, fucking you know. It's true though. Sometimes you feel like that. My mouth feels so dry.
I'm done. Oh. I hope you guys enjoyed my first ever shitty vlog. Like and subscribe if you want. I will try and bring you better quality stuff. Damn it, I missed it. This is gonna go in as the blooper reel, trying to do my outro. Anyway. Turn the sound off for like a second.
Oh, no. Fuck Eddie.